What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the new rolling bag keyboard cases from Rockville. These new bags feature wheels for increased maneuverability, a trolley handle for quick transportation, and two large front pockets to carry any accessories that you might need at your next performance. So we have 6 different models to accommodate keyboards ranging in size from 61 keys to 88 keys, and we have different depths like our Slim or our XL models to fit keyboards of all different sizes. We made a chart here with all the different dimensions of all the models so you can find the perfect bag for your keyboard. You can also check the fit guide on our website for more information. Now in front of me I have a rolling bag case for an 88 key keyboard. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So here's the bag right here. You can see right on the front we have 2 large pockets. Now both of these pockets are very useful to store a variety of different things. In this pocket over here you can see that it perfectly will fit an iPad, which is really useful because a lot of musicians keep their sheet music and chords on their iPad, or you can even just put your sheet music directly in here. And in this pocket over here you'll notice it's a little larger, so you can fit a bunch of different things in here. You'll notice pouches for microphones, you can put power cables, 1/4-inch instrument cables, DI boxes, sustain pedals, just basically anything that you'll need for your performance. Now the zippers on this bag are super strong and durable, and the bag itself is made from an extremely rugged nylon. There's multiple carry handles on this bag, so we have 2 over here on the side which you can strap together, and the one on the top. This allows you to carry the bag either horizontally or with this handle vertically. And of course with the wheels on the bottom over here, it makes it so you can transport and trolley this bag super easily. Now on the bottom over here you'll notice that we actually have skid bars, and that's to keep the bag from getting scratched as well as keeping the bag in place once you set it down. Let's open up the main compartment now. So inside the case we have 2 foam inserts. Now this allows you to fit both slim and normal size keyboards in here nice and snug. And over here we have the 2 super strong Velcro straps to secure your keyboard into place during transport. I actually have a keyboard here, so let me show you how easy it is to secure it in this bag. Let's take our inserts out for right now. Let's go grab our keyboard. We have our keyboard. This is an 88 key keyboard. After you put your keyboard in, the first thing you're going to want to do is secure the 2 straps over here. Pull it as tight as you can to ensure that they will not move during transport. Now you'll notice I have a little bit of room on the side, but that's what these inserts are for. Just fit it in nice and snug, and you'll see it perfectly fits into this case. A quick side note, if your keyboard already fits perfectly lengthwise in the case, you can use the foam inserts to put it on top of the keyboard as another layer of protection. And now this is road ready. Now these bags are made with many layers of protection. They're made with a rigid technology where it's a hybrid of a soft and a hard case. A lot of other keyboard cases crumble and don't maintain shape when they are open, but our Rockville bags have a plastic spine that runs all throughout the case and a thick foam pad layer in front of that creates the perfect combination of rigidity and protection. Even the pads that keep the keyboard in place are thickly padded. There are so many different layers of protection on this bag. There's the rigid spine layer, the thick foam pad layer in front of that, the nylon case layer, the padded straps layer, and even the foam inserts layer. That's 5 different layers of protection that will keep your keyboard safe during travel. The bottom of the bag actually has a wooden plate on it to give even more strength to the bag to protect it from extreme drops. Now these rolling bags from Rockville are going to be perfect for gigging musicians playing live shows, weddings, coffee houses, or just traveling from venue to venue. So if you're looking for a durable and portable keyboard case, look no further than the rolling bags from Rockville. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.